Hey, I'm back. Yeah, sorry guys, it's been very nice weather. Market has been tanking, so only till yesterday my challenge account was a very big drawdown, so almost minus 50%. And in a few hours we made a big profit, as expected. Of course, calculated. No, but today I'm risking a bit more, um, as I think we have seen a lot of downside already. There might be one wick left, all the way to 50k in my opinion, but I'm not sure if we'll get it. So I'm risking a bit more on my account, and I made quite some nice profits on it. Yeah, for now I'm just trading the most volatile shitcoins possible with more risk. And I'm more than ready to just cut my losses when needed. So right now it's just chilling. I'm trading Marsatech because I think Bitcoin will range for a few days with some potential fake outs to the upside and the downside, which is quite attractive. Attractive for Marsatech. So right now, as you can see, Bitcoin looks to form a structure that wants to break to the upside, but I think we're just gonna keep ranging for a few days and maybe break out during the weekend due to low liquidity, or just continue our trend to the downside, because right now I'm still leaning very bearish for at least 50k to be retested. But yeah, the price can always adjust. I can always adjust my bias when we break key resistance levels. But right now I think we're ranging, and that's why I'm risking a lot more using Marsatech. But yeah, I'm very discretionary. So right now, if the conditions change and I see a lot of weakness on Bitcoin again, I will not risk 8.5k on Marsatech setups. And yeah, I'm pretty quick to pull the plug on the core setup. So yeah, like I said, we started with 20. Right now we're at 21.4. So we already made a nice gain in a few. I'm not sure. I think it's a week. But yeah, still a long way to go to the. Oh, we just made another TP. Still a long way to go to get to 500k. Yeah, so Bitcoin is acting tough, trying to break out right now. Should be nice for our risk reward setups as well. Let's do a little refresh. Yeah, so it's a sad story because I had a very good entry on my long a few days ago for my manual trading, and I got out I think around 58 because I did not expect us to range here. I expected us to go lower yesterday on the FOMC news. Yeah, but yeah, missed out on a lot of money there. So there's a little bit of frustration. Overall, I'm still down on the manual account by 1500 or something. But I'm not going to share too much about it because maybe I mentioned this before, but manual trading is really hard. So I do not recommend it to anyone. Not in 2024. Anyways, yeah, so I'm in W, wormhole. I didn't know it was wormhole, but okay. And I'm in with dog with head. So wormhole I'm not really used to. I think it's nicely volatile, especially today. And yeah, that's why I'm trading it with a little bit more risk. I've set some trade windows, high and low, like the blue lines. I hope you can see it. So this is the range I'm willing to take, and underneath I'll probably cut with a loss. and at the top, since I'm longing, I think we will just finish and get out. Yeah, with the same. With is nearing some resistance in my opinion, but the biggest resistance will be around the 4-hour 200 moving average. So we're just chilling, letting the system do its thing. Yeah, overall I think the risk reward setups have proven themselves to be very effective. Let's look a bit more in depth. Yeah, we are well known with the P&L glitch. Right now it shows I've made loss. Just to be clear, there's has been no losses on the risk reward accounts. It's just the system that's glitching, and we're working on it to make it to fix it. So yeah, just a little bit. As you can see, I think optimism has proven itself to be very valuable. There's some laggers, but those usually are less correlated to Bitcoin as well. So it's a nice mix of top performers and slow ass coins that not doing a lot. But usually when Bitcoin goes down, they tend to go up, etc. So there's a nice balance of risk in these long risk reward low setups. So yeah, feel free to duplicate. I think these will do well during the coming months. I'm not planning on changing anything unless one of those gets into the hodl and is acting very stupid. I'll probably keep it just as it is. So yeah, the big risk taking is going to be on the challenge account, of course. As the core is just purely speculative. Right now I expect Bitcoin to range. With my knowledge, I think I can get away with maybe $500 profit today on this core account. Since the balance is high, the system risks a lot more. So I'm also risking to lose a lot more. But that's just I made 1400, so I plan to risk 1k, and when I have 1k unrealized loss, I'll probably just cut and still end up with 400 profit. That's the game. But right now, yeah, the challenge account. Not really sure if I'm willing to short right now, but this looks kind of intimidating for a breakout to the upside, but I'm still expecting it to be a fake out. So yeah, let's make a little setup on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin or... Yeah, let's see what's really overextended right now on the 12-hour chart. Yeah, Jito is pretty much overextended. Market red. LSK is overextended. So let me first look at the volume here, because I'm not sure about LSK. Yeah, fuck that. We're not gonna do this because it's just 50k volume. We're probably gonna get stuck in there because the low volume. Because I'm gonna risk a lot more. Yeah, this is nice. 500,000. Yeah, I think DDX has low volume as well. Just to clarify. Yeah, but we're gonna do DDX anyway. It's okay. Bonk. Yeah, this could potentially just break out and go apeshit to the upside, so I'm not gonna risk it. Okay, this could be interesting. Yeah, let's I always disliked Matic. It's just slow as fuck. Yeah, Tia is looking strong too. Look, this is the same as the bonk. This could potentially just break out and go apeshit to the upside, so I'm not even gonna risk shorting this. Yeah, okay, I think Internet Computer looks good, so I'm gonna short that as well. So as you can see, I'm just looking at the structures where we are right now, and just past For me, it's just pattern recognition with some key levels like the 4-hour 200 MA. I think Internet Computer is looking pretty nice, just range bound. So if we spike to the upside with a fake out on Bitcoin, we'll just get nice heavy backs on our shorts. And if we go to the downside, we'll just print. Jupe. Yeah, this is too. I think right here you can see like there's a lot of touching horizontal resistance and confluence of the 4-hour to 200 moving average. So this is really a textbook point of resistance, and I think it's a bit too risky because the trade zone, if we manage to break out, we're immediately in the huddle. We leave the trade zone, so I'm not gonna trade it. Yeah, I traded this manually. As you can see, very nice execution, but I got out too early. I think Ondo looks good. Let's see. Yeah, volume is okay for our small account. Let's give it a little short. Yeah, also traded Atom. Let's see if I can see some coins I hate. In terms of price action. Anyways. Yeah, I think Spell is one of those shit coins I really like to fucking short. Okay, Spell. As there's like no use. Okay, the volume, it's not even 10k. Like I'm judging like low volume as a bad thing, but it could also be a good thing because we are actually trading with a plan using Pinot API, but a lot of other market participants, they are not. So we already have the advantage because we're algorithmic trading, but a lot of other people, they might just buy it and think, okay, I'm gonna hold this, and meanwhile we're shorting it with a algorithmic system. So, and also low liquidity could mean a lot of volatility, so that's also a good thing. Yeah, ADA has been nice. Curve has been nice. So yeah, there has been a lot of nice altcoins on key support levels. Look, this move just happened, I guess. Yeah, Ethereum didn't work out. Yeah, I think we could also risk a little bit more on ETH. Yeah, Solana, probably yes. So right now, you must think like the coins I'm shorting are solid projects like Solana. Yeah, but I think they will still respect the current trend. And right now, the 4-hour 200 moving average is just 20, just plus 20. So I think we're gonna make a lower high somewhere around here, and then break back down. So. Yeah, Ape sucks balls. I'm not gonna get in there. Yeah, well, I'm just using the tracking thingy for the percentages. Is because usually the 4-hour 200 moving average get respected as, and they usually have confluence with key resistance, like this horizontal resistance. It somewhat has it somewhat has confluence with the 4-hour 200. So that's why I'm just tracking and checking how far up it has to go before we run out of our trade zone. Jesus fucking Christ. If this thing's gonna fire up, I think a lot of people with shorts will get wrecked. Doji also, nice. Oh. Okay, yeah, I think mana is also a good one. Yeah, I think for now this is enough risk. I mean, if we break out, we don't want to get liquidated on some coin going 80% up. So right now, I think this is plenty of risk. Yeah, I'm not gonna set any trade windows. Just start everything. Damn, Whiff is strong, man. Holy fuck. So yeah, now I just started on my short setup, my challenge account again. We'll see how it goes. For now, I think I'm willing to risk the profit I made. So if the drawdown is around 40, I'll look at the structure, and if I'm really invalidated, I'll just take the loss, and otherwise I'll stay in and risk the entire API. But for now, yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm gonna eat some soup, probably sit in the sun for a while. I'll be back later when I think around US Open I'm gonna be here to see the volatility. Still think Bitcoin is gonna try something funny to the upside, maybe test 60k, and afterwards probably break down violently, maybe go towards 50, as I think the trend is still pretty much bearish. So stay safe out there, and I'll be back soon. And for the people watching the video, thanks for watching.